Hi everyone, good afternoon. I finished a workout. I actually did some things on the computer and I was gonna take a shower, but I realized it's lunchtime, so I have to make lunch. And I'm in my sports bra, if you guys are wondering. No one's here, it's just me, as per usual. But I did want to show you a few things before we get to actually cooking. Alright, so I think I mentioned in another video, in my budget video actually, that I was making banana bread. This right here is just five slices of banana bread still left over. I gave 3 to my family yesterday when I went to go see them. So what I do with banana bread, because if you guys didn't know, banana bread can last a very long time in the freezer. So I always, you know, plastic wrap, saran wrap it, and then I also wrap it in a sheet of foil. So I'm just going to tightly wrap these and then stick it in my freezer, because if I don't, I'll be eating all of these myself and I don't want to do that. I'm probably going to give these to some friends, drop them off at their house. Obviously, as you can see here, I have 3 extremely ripe bananas ready to go. So I'll probably make another loaf of banana bread tonight. It's very, I don't know, stress relieving for me. I bake all the time. I used to bake a lot when I, you know, was in high school and stuff like that. So baking just really relaxes me and it's awesome because everyone loves it. So in my banana bread, there's chocolate chips and walnuts. You guys can do whatever you want. I'm actually going to make a loaf that just has walnuts for my mom because my mom is not a big chocolate person. So this next loaf is probably going to be for mama. All right, y'all. So I just foil wrapped the slices of banana bread. So these are gonna go in the freezer. Before I get all my veggies out to start cooking my lunch, I did want to show you guys this right here. I love this little guy. I just got this from Amazon. So it was, I think, $14.99. It was a pretty good deal and it's made of bamboo and I absolutely love it. So obviously a lot of us are cooking at home now. So I have salt and pepper shakers, but sometimes you just need a pinch of salt. And that salt shaker is just not my best friend. I've been really frustrated with it. So I ended up getting this guy right here and it's a little bamboo swivel. Look how amazing. So I have my pink Himalayan salt right here and then I have just ground pepper. It's so easy for me to either just pinch or take a teaspoon or a tablespoon now, and I absolutely love this little guy and I've been wanting one of these for a while, but since I've been cooking so much, I really needed something like this, and it's a really good size as you can see. So highly recommend this. I will leave this link down below. I will also leave the link for the banana bread recipe down below. If you want a video of me making that banana bread, let me know, but honestly, just follow the frickin' recipe and it's so bomb. It's so good, it's so moist. Secret ingredient, sour cream. All right, friends, here we go. We got the rest of the kale I have to use. This bag was full before, so there's only a little bit left and I need to use it up. We have these Wild Wonder Gourmet Medley like cherry tomato looking things, grape tomatoes. These are amazing on their own, just raw like this. And I eat them in salads all the time, super yummy, but I want some tomatoes in my little saute, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use these. We have an onion, garlic, spinach, mushrooms, trying to get a lot of veggies in here, all right? And then this is going to be our meat. If you don't want to use meat, you don't have to. This is a sweet Italian sausage links, 18 grams of protein. So yeah, I'm pretty much just gonna saute and cook all of this up. All right, y'all, the sun has gone behind the clouds, so it might be a little bit cloudy right now. I have my pan right here. I like to work with a bigger pan. This is just how I am. I don't know why, because smaller pans, things can fall out, so I like something like this. All right, so I chopped up all of my veggies. We have our kale, we have some onion, mushroom, tomatoes, garlic. That's a lot of garlic. I'm a big fan of garlic. I think I chopped up too much. That's about 2.5, 3 cloves, so probably 1 clove would be good enough for a normal person, but I like garlic. I don't know if I'm gonna use it all, but this was probably about, what, 4 or 5 of those tomatoes. Again, just kind of fit it to what your portion is for yourself. I did 2 of these baby Bella mushrooms because I love mushrooms. I did a quarter of an onion, and my sausage, I actually have a link cooking in my toaster oven. I don't use this oven down here because it just takes up a lot of gas, and my little convection oven, it's not toaster oven, yeah, toaster oven, convection oven, that's what I mainly use because I just cook like one, you know, piece of salmon or one sausage link. I don't cook a lot. I am single. This is just for me. So yeah, again, I'm going heavy on the veggies because I don't have a starchy base. Now, you could actually turn all of this into a really awesome dinner or lunch if you want to add some pasta to it, a little bit of cheese, anything like that. Obviously, I'm going to season this with salt and pepper. We have the garlic already, and there's just so much flavor in here already from the mushrooms and the tomatoes, so I really love this. But again, if you guys want to add a starch to it, you can. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen that I made this as a breakfast. I think yesterday or 2 days ago, I made it. 2 days ago, sorry. I made this as a breakfast, and I did it with eggs. So you can absolutely add egg to this as well, like a nice fried egg, scrambled egg, anything like that. So yeah, if you don't follow me on Instagram, yeah, if you guys don't follow me on Instagram yet and you guys didn't see my breakfast from that morning, then you're sleeping. You should be following me on Instagram, so please. All right, so we have the oil cooking right here, and I just use just olive oil. This is definitely a staple in your kitchen. I was talking to one of my friends about staples in your kitchen, and olive oil is a must. Salt and pepper is a must. I should open this up. Oh, there's my Alexa. Alexa, stop. So I had my timer on for the sausage in the oven. Alexa, stop. Thank you. Okay, so yeah, staples for sure. And then obviously other staples like flour, sugar, all of that. But yeah, definitely can't do without these. So yeah, we have this going. I have a gas stove, so this gets pretty hot pretty fast, and I typically like to start with the mushrooms because the mushrooms take the longest to cook. So mushrooms and onions will probably go in together because I like these to get a little bit more, you know, softened, a little caramelized on them. So I like to cook these down the most. And all right, so I'm vlogging with one hand, and then I'm gonna try to just, I guess, cook with the other hand. So we'll throw that in there. Let's just throw the onions in there. Oh, there's a piece of kale. That's all right, guys. It's hard to vlog trying to get the mushrooms and onions. It's really hard to do this with one hand. So I'm just gonna, yeah, you'll see it all together. Oh, and if you guys are curious, I'm on about like a medium heat, I would say. It's really hard. My stove is pretty old, so it's really hard to tell. But I'm pretty sure this is like a medium or so heat. There we have it. We have our veggie sauteed, stir-fried thing, whatever you want to call it. Some sausage. Now, use any veggies that you guys have in the fridge. Throw it all together with some garlic and oil. You can't go wrong. It tastes so good. Use any protein or meat you want. I use sausage. A lot of people don't eat pork. Totally get it. Use chicken. Use seafood. I'm going to eat salmon tonight with probably something similar because I just have so many ingredients. I did not fold in my spinach because I felt like this was enough kale. So tonight I'm going to use spinach. But yeah, there you go. Super simple. Super easy, and it's going to be extremely fit. All right, everyone, so I'm just kind of going through these makeup palettes here. I went to my mom's house, which is where I originally grew up, and I picked up more of my Z palettes. So these have like colorful Coastal Scents ones. These are all NARS. And then these over here are all MAC, and I'm trying to figure out which palettes I want to use in today's makeup video. So you guys will see what I end up picking later in the week. But yeah, all of these are MAC eyeshadows and MAC blushes. I haven't used MAC in so long. Oh, this is, I think, my original palette. And I think I really, I'm trying to open this with one hand and it's not working. I think I really want to use some MAC eyeshadows. I don't know, what do you guys think? You guys will officially find out what I end up using in that beauty video, so keep an eye out for that. All right, so we're just kind of, oh wait, what's this? Oh, these are more MAC eyeshadows. Okay, so yeah, I'm just hanging out here at my desk trying to like decide on what to use. I'm going to film a budget video, which is why I have this. You guys, if you've watched my videos before, you guys know I use the Clever Fox budget book, so that's coming as well. And later tonight, I am going to be taking this 2 terabyte hard drive and just loading it up with just videos and just, you know, documents from my iMac right here. I haven't cleared off my iMac computer in a while, so I had to purchase this because I can't find my other one. I used to have a terabyte, but this is a 2 terabyte, so this should have a lot of space on it, and I'm really excited to just kind of get my computer organized. So that will be happening later. And then earlier this morning, I started playing around with my Kate Spade planner. If you guys watched my latest budget video, I mentioned that I purchased this Kate Spade planner off Mercari. So just gonna give you guys like a look real quick. These are just like random little like dashboards or like divider things that I made, and I laminated them. If you guys don't know yet, I love crafting, I love stationery, I love all of that. So I ended up purchasing these like planner pages, and this is a personal size planner if you guys didn't know, but I just kind of started writing in like my content calendar in here, and I decorated it a little bit with like these little floral pieces and stuff like that. And then I just made these dividers myself. Not the best quality, but they'll do for now. And then I'll show you what the weeks look like. So this is what the weeks look like, week on 2 pages. I think it's really cute. I can still use any kind of like decorative stickers if I want to, or I can just write right in it. So yeah, I just want to give you guys a sneak peek of that. I didn't do anything to it yet, you guys. I'm still figuring it out, but I was playing around with that this morning. And if you guys are curious, the stickers that I used so far are from this like Happy Planner sticker book, Journaling Doodles. I've had this for a while, so I figured I would put it to use. So yeah, that was my most recent purchase, and that's what I'm kind of gonna do right now. Just film, again, budget videos, makeup videos, and then I need to clear off my computer. What's up, y'all? Checking back in with you. I just did this makeup look for you guys, so this will probably be up within, I don't know, the next couple days. I have no idea, but I really liked how this turned out. I love this lipstick shade, so stay tuned for that video when it comes out, but I absolutely love this look. I made a mess. Let me show you guys my makeup mess from this video, and I gotta clean it up, and I gotta take a picture for the thumbnail for this makeup look as well. So anyway, I just want to come back on and say hi. My friend should be stopping by later, not to hang out. I'm going to give him some banana bread because he's been asking for it, and I have so much banana bread that I need it to go away. I need to get rid of it and give it to my friends, so he'll be stopping by later. Okay, so let me show you my makeup mess, and then I gotta take some pictures because the sun's going down. It's about that time, and I need good lighting. This is my makeup mess here. I just film right on my coffee table because I have nowhere else to film. So this is a sneak peek to what the video is going to include, and yeah, you just gotta stay tuned. All right, you guys, really quick, I totally forgot, but I have to go feed my friend's fish. My friend went back to her parents' house for quarantine, so it's gonna be, I don't know, like a couple weeks or something. So I am feeding her fish. So I have to walk all the way to her house. I'm gonna take you guys with me. All right, so walking out of my building now. It's actually, ooh, it's really nice out. And I gotta walk all the way to her house to feed her damn fish. Why is this lighting crazy? Adjust, there we go. Woo, gotta be careful. We're in Philly, who knows what's gonna happen. All these recyclables. Philadelphia is like picking up recycling every other week, not every week now, and nobody knew that until now. Ah, my gosh. All right, we're here at our house. Let's go on in, feed that fish, because fish gotta eat too. Got the right code. I'll leave that over there. Ah! Up to her apartment. Sarah, I'm not gonna vlog your apartment. I don't even know if you're watching my video right now, but I'm feeding your fish. I got you, girl. All right, you guys, I'm back home. I went to feed my friend's fish. Sorry about my hair. I had my hair up in a little like bun thing for the video, and I just took it out, and my hair is kind of wavy now, which I kind of love. So I might like braid my hair tonight and like sleep on it, or like, I don't know. I really love how these waves are looking, but how do I get that all over? Also, if you guys didn't catch it, it was a joke that she lived so far. She's my neighbor. So she's actually my friend before my neighbor, or being my neighbor. So yeah, I was just joking. She doesn't live far. She literally lives like 3 doors down. So yeah, I'm just gonna sign off here with you guys because I really want to edit this vlog and just get it processed and stuff like that. I think Bren might stop by later. I'm really not sure. He's working right now. So I just want to come on, say goodbye. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are staying, you know, sane and safe and healthy. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys subscribe if you already have yet to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and follow me on Instagram because I do a lot of like behind the scenes. So, all right, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.